come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Hey, no, give me that shirt. No. Willow, can I buy that shirt off of your back? I'll give you $100. $100. Come on, $100. That's some vintage fire. Come on, you know you want to sell it. Please sell it to me. Fine, here, take it. Yoink! Hey guys, welcome back to Resale Dojo, where we grow our reselling businesses together. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a what sold video from this past weekend. It is 30 items that sold for over $1,000. And the goal of this video is to give you guys some rapid fire BOLOs to help you guys when you go thrifting or the garage sales or estate sales. Because once you see these items in my video, hopefully you'll remember them. And when you see them out in the field, it'll make it a lot easier for you to go grab them real quick, get those purchases, and get to the next section or to a different store or different sale. I'm going to try to go over these really quick to show you guys some rapid fire BOLOs and get you guys out of here and get you guys going looking for that gold. This first one here is this Excalibur Golf. It's like a little electronic game. This one sold for $29.95 and with free shipping. So not a lot of money into this one. I think I had like $3 into it, but you know, it's still going to cost me probably about $6 to ship. So, you know, making about maybe 15 bucks after everything on this item. This Monster XP cable sold for $35.95. This one I think I had like $2 into it. Always look at the cables that are out there because a lot of times they could do well, especially when they are sealed. This Sony Dream Machine is actually new open box in here, and I sold it for $45. I had this one for a while, and I think it was sitting at like $59.95 free shipping, and someone sent me a message saying, hey, could you do $45? I'll pay right away. I did, and they actually paid right away, which is a rarity. So this one's going out for $45 free shipping. Let's get into some video game stuff here. These two Wii remotes, these are not Motion Plus. They are just the black and pink ones for the Wii. They sold for $35.95, the pair of them together. For me, when I find these and I find them in different colors, I like to lot them up because you'll get a little bit more, you'll save on shipping, and a lot of times people like to have different colors for their collection and for their system. My best video game sale of this weekend was actually this Pokemon Blue that I have right here for the Game Boy. This one is authentic. It does save. The battery is working in it. And it sold for $59.95. This Buzz Quiz TV for the PS3 is actually complete, and it sold for a little over $59. I had this one for maybe 3 or 4 months, and I was surprised it sold at that price. I thought I'd probably get an offer on it, but it sold at the price that I was asking for. Let's highlight the consoles I sold. I sold this GameCube console bundle. It actually comes with the silver GameCube and the black GameCube controller and all the cords and everything in it, and it sold for $129.95. The next thing I want to highlight is how many Wii consoles I sold over this weekend. These are all replacement consoles, so I get these for like $10 to maybe $15 each, test them out, make sure they're working, and get them listed on eBay. This black one sold for $59.95, and these three all sold for $57.95. Now let's do a little rapid fire of video games and DVDs to get you guys some really good BOLOs to look out for. If you guys follow my Instagram, you saw that I sold this Just Dance Wii 2020 video game for $59.95 this past weekend. This Tomb Raider PC game, it's a special edition. I think it's like an AOL version. Yeah, AOL there on the corner. It sold for $9.95. I would not pick these up unless you're getting them for like a quarter each. It's a little hard to see here, but I sold these two Dean Hughes audiobooks. They're both sealed for about 40 bucks. 2 copies of Empire Earth for the PC sold for $14.95 each. Left 4 Dead for the Xbox 360 sold for $15.95. A rare one that I find is We Play Motion. This sold for $26.95 with free shipping. 007 Quantum of Silence for the PS3 sold for $19.95. Red Dead Redemption for the Xbox 360, the Game of the Year edition, sold for $18.95. Star Wars Battlefront for the original Xbox sold for $14.95. Primal for the PS2 sold for $12.95. Let's get into the DVDs here. This Primer Matthew C. Education DVD sold for $13.95. The Faculty sold for $12.95. This Midnight Special 10 DVD set sold for $59.95. This limited edition Alfred Hitchcock set, I think it has 5 movies in it, sold for $19.95. Sealed Season 2 of Without a Trace. This is one of my favorite sets to find because a lot of people think that Without a Trace is a garbage series to flip, but if you find them sealed, they do really well. This sold for $29. This Sealed Season 2 of X-Files sold for $19.95. This Superman Season 1 sold for $17.95. This is the original TV series. If you find all 4 seasons, they go for really crazy prices, and those prices only skyrocket if you find them sealed. Lastly, Seasons 2 and 3 of Drop Dead Diva sold for $16.95. I had these for probably like a year and a half. Do not buy this set at all. I think I had $1 into each season of them. Unless you find the full series, I would not touch these. So there you guys go. Those are 30 sales over this past weekend for over $1,000. Hopefully those help you out when you go searching at the thrift store, garage sales, estate sales, wherever. Thank you guys once again for joining me. Maybe hit the thumbs up on the way out. Hit the subscribe button down below. Check out one of the 2 videos that YouTube's recommending over there. You may like them. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.